Hello everyone, I recently bought Garmin Fenix 7 Premium Multisport GPS Watch. So I will be making a series of videos around this watch, and the first in the series comes with the unboxing video. So let's quickly, without wasting time, go and start the unboxing. So this is the nice cube package of Garmin. You can see this. Here we have Garmin logo, and here we have all the prices, and it comes with an MRP of 67,990 in India. And then rest all things, we have only just a branding of Fenix 7 at all the sides. Then quickly going inside the opening of the box, so which you open like this, you will see a watch. This is the Garmin Fenix 7 watch. Quickly take out the packing. This has a very premium silicone band, very soft and flexible. Then we have a steel dial and a nice big screen. The most important part of this Fenix 7 watch from its predecessor Fenix 6 is that it has touch screen as well as buttons. So if you will see, we have 3 buttons on the left and 2 buttons on the right. Now setting it aside, I'll see what all contents are there in the box again. So in this we have a manual, we have a sticker which says beat yesterday, we have a QR code to scan and download the Garmin Connect app, and we have a charging cable. So the charging cable looks like a simple USB cable with a Garmin Legacy Connect feature to connect the watch with a click. So this gets connected to the watch like this, and you have to plug this USB to the adapter, and then it will start charging. We don't have adapter in the box, so these are the content of the box. So guys, this is all about the watch. I will just quickly go through it once again. And then coming in the series, the next video, which I will show how to set up this watch for the first use. Thank you everyone, keep watching.